Welcome, Psychotic Society. Well, how are you? I myself am fine. Um, I got a video for you today on NFTs, a really nice one. Typically, I show people about NFTs and some of the artwork I collect, but now I'm going to show you how to make some money with your NFTs. Not every NFT, specifically certain NFTs from certain collections. So we're going to go into Crodex, okay? And that is inside the Crypto.com DeFi app. That is Crypto.com's official wallet, not to be confused with their exchange. So basically, Crodex or CRO Dex is pretty much like Uniswap. If you ever heard of Uniswap, it's a place where you can swap coins, okay? So we're going to go into the menu on the left, and then we're going to go into rewards, and I'm going to show you my NFTs. We're going to hit NFT stake. You close this out, little thing right there, and you're going to go down and you're going to see a list of NFT options, right, on what to deposit. Now typically if you have NFTs deposited, you're going to see that manage button. See, so Zombabies, I have Zombabies deposited in this basically exchange. I'll call it an exchange, but it's really a swap, right? A swapping platform. And here you're going to see round 4 of the staking process, right? Zombabies to earn wrapped CRO, which is the equivalent of CRO. It's basically a one-to-one of CRO. So there's over 1,500 of these NFTs deposited, all of them unique. And then the reward pool is spread across the people who have deposited. They split 4,500 CRO per the holders. And that equates to right now a 94% interest rate, obviously across 12 months. So if you look, I've deposited 3 Zombabies for a total of $231, and I'm getting about 8.5 wrapped CRO per week. That's 32 wrapped CRO. That's about $15 a month I'm now earning passively in cryptocurrency. Also, you can withdraw your NFTs at any time. There's no lock period or anything, which is really cool. So you would just hit batch withdrawal here. Click that. And then your NFTs will pop up. And then you would just select your NFTs and then hit the withdraw button. And now you're no longer gaining passive income. So that's all for this video. Guys, listen, I'm going to put links in the descriptions, a lot of information. As always, do your own research with these tokens, companies, NFTs. This is not financial advice. I am not an expert. I am learning and I am sharing what I'm doing. And hopefully in the process, we can all learn together. We can all grow together and have this thing evolve into this great, wondrous metaverse or wherever the heck we're going. I'll see you guys later. Psychotic Society is out.